this video, I want to talk about if you should start an ATM business right now in the midst of the coronavirus. Hey there, my name is Carey Buck. I've been an independent ATM business owner since 2009, and I've been an ATM business mentor since 2011. That's why I teach people just like you how to start and grow your own profitable ATM business. Why would you want to start an ATM business? Well, depends on each individual person. Some folks want to get out of their 9 to 5. Some folks want to supplement their retirement. Some folks haven't been saving for retirement. Some folks want to invest less money and still make a decent return. Some folks just want to have their money start working for them instead of them always working for their money. So it depends on each person why they want to start a business. Why should you let me help you start an ATM business? I'm going to save you time, money, and headaches. If you'd like to learn more about me helping you start your own ATM business, go to atmtrainingvideo.com. Again, that's atmtrainingvideo.com. Okay, so I was in the kitchen. My wife is making us dinner. I don't know if you can see her. I don't think so. She's hiding. Where are you, Abby? Oh, you can't see her because she's right behind me. I don't know if you can see her. But anyways, I was in the kitchen and I've been taking these coldies, you know, those coldies things, those zinc whatever things, since we went to the flower show in the beginning of the year. Not the beginning of the year, beginning of this month. And I ran out and there's no coldies to be found. So my wife found me this, not found it, but got this emergency, you know, there were little packets that you spill in water, pour in water. It's got zinc in it and all other kinds of crap in it, but it doesn't taste that bad either. I mean, it's not great, but it's not horrible. And I was sitting there, you know, stirring it. I thought of this video. And the reason I thought of it was because of a coaching call I had Tuesday night. And just this past Tuesday. So what was it, March 24th. One of my students just placed their first ATM. And then another one was going to get a signed contract today, Thursday, right? So it got me thinking, I'm a big fan. There she is. Say hi. I'm a big fan of folks taking this time if you're in, you know, self-quarantine or if you have to shelter from home because your governor is telling you to or whatever. I'm a big fan of learning this business, right? Learning this business, like, you know, let's say you want to become a student of mine. Getting that training going through that training, going through the coaching calls, going through all the past coaching calls and knowing this business so when all this dies down, you can, boom, take off, right? But then it's like, okay, well, what about starting one right now? Like right this second, today, what about starting one? And I think that's going to depend on a couple things, right? So what state are you in, right? So if you're in California, New York, Washington State, it's probably not a good idea to try to start an ATM business right this second. You know what I mean? But I think the one student that was getting a signed contract this week was in Oklahoma. So things are pretty chill there. I don't think they have many cases of the coronavirus going on right now. Even in our state, in Delaware, we have like, how many cases was it lately, babe? 30-something? Mm-hmm. We have like 30-something cases. It might be more than that. I don't remember. But 30-something cases. No, I think it's like 68 cases or something now. Let's just say 70. So that's like small compared to the 37,000 in New York, right? But our governor just still put us on a shelter from home, like stay home, you know, except for essential business. And by the way, the ATM business is considered essential business. But here's the thing, like I don't feel comfortable going out there, you know, during this, right? I don't want to seem like a dick or anything, be like, hey, you want an ATM, like, because normally in general, in everyday life when things are perfect, these business owners, it's not top of mind for them to think about an ATM business or to think about an ATM machine in their shop, right? Now with this stuff going on, it's really not top of mind, right? So I, you know, in where I'm at now, I wouldn't go start an ATM business. Again, California, New York, Washington, I wouldn't start an ATM business. If you have a shelter in place going on, shelter in home going on from your governor in your state, I wouldn't start one right this second. It's okay to educate yourself and learn it, right? But I wouldn't like start it. Sure, I mean, you can send emails, you could call them, you can do a Facebook Messenger and what have you, but I don't know. I personally wouldn't want to come across as a dick or anything. And yes, I know there's essential businesses that need our ATMs, right? Like we only have 2 ATMs up and running right now. Like today, March 26, 2020, only 2 of our machines are up and running right now. They're both in convenience stores. Well, one's a convenience store, and one's a like a deli convenience type of store, right? That's it. They're the only 2 that are open. Everybody else is shut down either because they're not essential or because, like our Chinese restaurant, they willingly shut themselves down. Like they just wanted to help stop the problem, so they shut down, and they said they're going to be shut down for a few weeks. So we only have 2 stores open right now, and I kind of felt to myself that they're filled up pretty well. But I just said to my wife today, I'm like, when they run out of money, I'm not going to fill them right now. Like I'm just not going to do it if things are still crazy. And it's for me, it's because I have asthma. Like, so I have a breathing issue. You know what I mean? So if you have anything like that going on, any kind of breathing issue, any kind of immune compromise, right? You might want to think about chilling out right now, right? And just doing the education part of it, like learning it, going through your training, going through coaching, that kind of stuff. Googling stuff, watching YouTube videos like you are right now, all that free stuff. And then, obviously if you say, okay, I'm into the business, I want to mentor, and Carey, you're my girl, I would love for you to say that. But hey, not everybody's going to say that, and that's cool. But if you do say that and you get my training, yeah, this is a great time to go through it. And to go through the coaching and to get into the student Facebook group and to see all the support that's there and ask your questions that you might have. But yeah, certain states, I feel a little bit funny about starting an ATM business. Other states, like Oklahoma, right? So my student, awesome. He's getting a signed contract. He's placing an ATM. Another student just placed an ATM. And I forget what state he was in. It wasn't Oklahoma, though. I feel like it might have been Texas. But don't hold me to that. But part of me is like, okay, do we just stop right now? And then wait for things to settle down and then go forward? Or do we just keep doing our thing if we're in a state that's not on lockdown or anything like that? You know what I'm saying? So that's going to be a personal decision to you. I've made the personal decision for myself that when our ATMs go empty right now, I'm not filling them until this shit has settled down, right? Because, some people might say, yeah, but the money that you're losing, money, health. Like, you don't have wealth without health, guys. Like, you understand that, right? That's how this works. Like, you can have all the money in the world, but if you're sick, you know what I'm saying? So think about it. Just really think about it. Again, some states are not as hit as hard as other states. But you're gonna you just gotta think about it, and you're gonna decide what you want. Don't forget to like this video, by the way. Like this video, click that little ATM right there, and subscribe to this channel. When you see the notification bell, make sure you click all notifications. That's my crazy ass wife. Make sure you click all notifications so every time I make a video, she threw me off there. Every time I make a video, you get notified of it. Again, like this, and if you have any questions, post them below. I'm not Dr. Fauci or the CDC or anything like that, so I can't answer your medical questions or what have you. But I'm just trying to use common sense. And yeah, I was talking to some students about just, using protective gear, personal protective equipment. And yeah, that's great too. And then I thought, but what if we do everything, we think we're doing everything right, and then some little thing gets us, fucks us up, right? Because we don't know, like, we're not experts on this stuff, you know what I mean? So I don't know. For me, it's not worth the risk right now. It's my personal opinion. I also understand that I'm in a different position than a lot of people. I get that. Maybe I would think differently if I wasn't. I would hope I wouldn't, because my health is still more important. But who knows? I don't know. But what do you guys think? Post below. Let me know what you think. If you have any questions, post them below. So yeah, I guess in the end, I wouldn't start an ATM business if I'm in like one of those major infected areas or in an area that is on like a shelter in place. And then I might give it some consideration, some thought if I'm in any other state, right? Because, well, think about this like before I let you go. So, okay, I'm just gonna take random state because I don't even know. I don't know what's going on with other states. I'm sorry, I really don't. I mean, besides the obvious ones, you know. But let's just say Montana. I haven't heard anything about Montana. I don't think anything major is going on in Montana. So you say, okay, I'm in Montana. I'm gonna start my ATM business. But do you think if we settle down in Montana now, they won't catch up to like a New York or California or whatever, you know what I mean? Versus if you just keep going until shit happens. Does that make sense? That makes sense what I'm saying, babe? Yeah. I think that makes sense. Right? So if you just settle down now, then you won't get bad. Versus if you keep going, then you might have to stop because things get bad. I hope that made sense. But anyways, again, that's a personal decision. You know, this is the United States of America. We all have freedom to do what we want until our governors tell us we need to shelter in place. I know I'm laughing, but you gotta laugh. I mean, shit, I've been in the house for I don't even know how long now. We just go out occasionally for groceries, and even then, I feel like as soon as I go out, right, and I get like cars in the garage, I get in the garage, go in the car, I leave, I go to wherever I go. Let's say the grocery store. As soon as I get out of my car, I'm not kidding. I think to myself, I feel like I'm gonna get sick. I don't want to be here. Like that's how I feel right now. And maybe it's because I have asthma, you know, and that kind of stuff. But who knows? I don't know. It's mild asthma, but it's still asthma, you know. So I don't know. I don't know, guys. I don't have the answers. I just know that you need to be careful, right? Your health is way more important than anything else. Because without that, you ain't got nothing, you know. So again, any questions, post them below. Any comments, any thoughts, anything you want to share, post it below. Any ideas for a new video, post that below because I got nothing but time right now, baby. You know what I'm saying? So post it all below. And don't forget the likes, thumbs ups, right? Click that and subscribe to my channel. I don't know what she's doing. She's making me a steak though, so I think she's pretty amazing. Subscribe to my channel right there by clicking that ATM. And then you're going to see a bell. It's a notification bell. Just click all. So every time I upload a video, you get notified. And again, if you would like me to help you start an ATM business, now is the time to learn, guys. I'm not kidding you. Now is the time to learn. Put your nose down. Get into your training. Get everything planned out. And then once this ends, boom, you will take off. And you might see this huge financial frenzy that's going to happen in your bank account, you know, once you take off, once this ends, right? So now's the time. If you're interested, get into the business, you know, and if you would like me to help you, go to atmtrainingvideo.com. And when I say get into business, I mean, if you know it's what you want to do, start to learn, like really immerse yourself in the learning process. So when this dies down, you can take off. Hopefully that made sense. I mean, I just rambled about it for like 13 minutes, you know. Anyway, atmtrainingvideo.com if you'd like me to help you. What you'll do is you enter your email. On the next page, there's a 28-minute video. Please watch it. Okay, it goes over my entire hybrid ATM investing system, and then how I can help you. And then if you're still interested, then fill out the application. Once you submit the application, you'll be taken to a page where you can schedule a call with one of my team members. And then together, you guys will hop on a call. Together, you go over your goals and figure out if one of my trainings is a fit for you. All right? So it's all cool. It's all chill. You know, we're here to help you. We're here to help you be successful. All right? All right, so that's it. I'm going to finish drinking this, get ready for my steak. And you guys keep safe out there. I'll talk to you soon. And may you live happily off of passive income.